He learned something. What'd you learn?
We learned that you should stack parts.
You learned that the rocker irons fit in a rocker box if you turn them correctly. And you got two little small piles take up less space than big pile. If you turn that thing 180, it fits better. Oh, look at that. Oh, jeez. Imagine that. Look at that. Now you can put that on the rack. Put that on the rack next to the rear tire.
Look at it.
Out of the way. Clean the rack off. Put it on the rack. Put it on the rack. Don't put it over here. Oh yeah, you can put it over there too. Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
Now it's not on the floor in the way, getting tripped on. You forgot the breathers though. Why didn't you put the breather in there?
Whoa, whoa,
Why did you not put the last piece in the puzzle?
whoa.
You're one of those guys that just don't worry about all, you just throw away the jigsaw puzzle pieces. I don't need that piece. Yeah, look at that. You don't have all that crap on the floor no more. I took all the hardware and organized it. I took all my hardware and organized it.
Guys, we're running out of parts here.
Luke was pissing and moaning that I didn't use no plastic bag using a felt tip pin.
I just said we have different techniques.
So there, I can see everything I need right in front of me, and I can tell if it's missing. Which one's better? And I don't have all those stupid bags getting full of dirt and shit. You can't see through them. Can't find your hardware. So we got to work on the heads. We cleared up an area over here for our head station. This is our new head station. This is US General head station here. We only got one head though, so it's a single. It is the front head.
You know all about that. You should feel right at home.
It is the front head.
I got another one. Looks a lot the same.
Damn, that looks like looks like a rear head. Okay, so where's your old heads at?
Old heads are over here.
We only need one of them.
All right.
So this is an 04 turd. These are 06 heads.
6 and later.
That's the rear head. You pick
You
that
want
one.
the
No, I just got to match up the head we're going to look at. See, now we got the same head. See, it helps to compare. If you're comparing stuff, use the same head. So you go in here, you look at the casting dates. You can't read because you didn't do a very good job of cleaning it.
Should have a 99 on that.
You got to put some spit on there so you can read it. Still can't read it. I can't read it.
That says
Should be 06 in there. Oh, you gotta get up here. Get over here.
says 06.
There's 06 casting date.
17.
We don't care about all those. We only care about
06.
06. What's this one over here?
Should have a 99 number on it.
See, it's like they were proud of it over here, and they didn't give a crap about it over here what it was. So anyway, see, this is a 99 head, so it's 99 through 05. Actually, it's not because they changed the valve stems in 4.
Oh, really?
Yeah. But they use the same casting, so it doesn't matter, same junk
Right.
head. And then 06, they came out with the new head, and they make it either with or without the compression release. This has no compression release. If you have a road turd, late model, there's a motor mount up in here. If you had your other head, you would see that this is not on your other head. Because when you went to an 09 frame mounting system, they changed all the mounts. They hung a big mount off of here. So this is only on the touring bikes. The Dyna and Softail were on a standard head. They were like this machine like this. So we don't care because we're not using it. So this is a non-compression release head because we don't have compression releases anywhere. So the difference is when you look at these things, this port here, intake, here, looks very similar. Be nice to have some light. Ah, we got light now. See the intake port? Didn't really change much there. Pretty much the same thing. The exhaust port on the other hand, you can see the difference. Where's your finger at? Put 2 fingers in that port. Does your 2 fingers fit in there? You have fat fingers, so they don't fit. How about this one?
No
Oh, they go right in there. Look at that. So this has an Evo exhaust port in it. You know, the 80-inch motor had big ports and big valves in them, versus the small little dinky ass twin cam 100-inch motor. Doesn't have big ports. Look how thin that port is. Look how thick that is. So instead of paying someone to spend lots of money porting out your heads, just go buy light heads. Boom. They fit right on. So it's bigger on this side too. See? This is solid, doesn't even have any flow in it. This has a hole in it.
Yeah, look at that.
It's the same thing, it's bigger through here. The valves are small still, so you can still open the valve up. See this big carbon line right here? If you cut that out halfway, the whole port gets bigger, flows more air. Harley figured we didn't need any of that. See on the intake, they got the same issue. See the seat's way out here and you got a real thick port. You open that up too. So, anyway, these ports are definitely better than these ports. And other than that, the heads are identical. So, and the other thing about it is, if you run the single coil spring, beehive springs in them, you can run 570 lift with these springs. You can't run 570 lift with these springs. You can run, when you get about 550 out of these, pushing it, you know, it's best to be like 540 and less.
Right.
And they'll fit in. This one you go 570, 575. You still need to upgrade the spring for more tension if you're going to rev it, but if you want to put the higher lift in it, it'll work with this motor. Not in that motor. Alright, get that junk out of here. I don't want to look at that no more.
Junk!
That thing is crap. Harley had some stupid idea of an exhaust port. Has a big hump up in the backside here, so when you put your finger in there, you got to go to this big enough hump that goes up like this. Whereas this one has this nice smooth one. So this one here, see your finger goes right through nice and easy. Like that. See, it just goes right around real nice. That other one, your finger tries to cut you in half so high. Alright, so he wants to go fast. See that lip right there that they left?
Yep.
They don't need to be there. So that can go bye-bye. See this lip that's in here? It's on the back side. It can stay because we don't care about it. It's not the airflow. The flow is going out.
Right.
This one, the flow is going in.
Is it really time?
So they just need to be cleaned up a little bit. All right, we can get some tools and we'll be back.